Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a simple double dip technique with primary colors again, and I have two canvases today, not MDF boards. They are 8 by 10 inch canvases, and I will use primary colors again. And for my base I have titanium white mixed with my pouring medium and a little bit of Vallejo polyurethane satin varnish to maybe add a little something to this painting. So I will just basically just cover it with my white, but not the thick layer, because too much paint on the canvas can do different effects. So for this double dip technique, but you can add more paint and see what will happen. I have few videos about this double dip technique too, so you can decide which look you prefer. So if you add less or more base and less or more colors on the canvas, it will create, and my torch will die. Okay, great. Does this one still work? And at the end of this video I will put a quick clip of some of my paintings that they will be on my auction this Saturday, and if you want to participate you will have to look at the end of the video, because it will not be public. You have to contact me to get the invitation to a kind of private auction, but you can be a part of it, so check at the end if you want. So I will do just lines of primary colors and some pearl white and blue, and then we will do a double dip, some blue and some pearl white and some magenta. Maybe I added too much of magenta. Let's add a little of some dots of black. Okay, more here, less there, doesn't matter. We'll add a little bit of pearl white again and cyan. Okay, and some pearl white again. Hopefully it will not be too much of pearl white, and some yellow. Okie doke. So let's dip those two together. Okay, this part is done. So now I will just press a little bit like that, and then think that most of my paints are here, so, and let's split this apart. Okay, I will turn it your way. No, okay, like that. Wow, I love it. Just one touch and torch and I will be done. And you saw probably how easy this technique is, so definitely you can try it too if you are a beginner, because you can create some really nice abstract looking flower painting. Sometimes you get some trees with this technique. I was afraid that I have too much pearl white. Probably this paint reacts a little differently because of the polyurethane I forgot. So I almost burned my paint there. But I managed to save it. I just need a little paint here and here around, and it will of course level out, and then I will paint my sides after. So didn't mean to blow here, but now I did already. So I just scrape this bottom part. Wow. And as I said, it's only a simple double dip technique. With primary colors you don't need a lot and you can get quite an interesting painting. So let me clean this up a little bit and I will take you for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I'm in love with this double dip simple acrylic pouring technique using primary colors and just some white and black, and you can create an amazing abstract painting. This part is probably my favorite, I don't know. Or this one. This transparency here and here. It's just amazing. Tell me what you think about it, and don't forget, if you want to buy some of my art, stay tuned for a clip that will follow, or see you on the next one. Bye. I just want to show you a few pieces that will be on my auction. So if you are interested to buying some of my art, you are welcome to send me an email or contact me on my social media. You can find all the links into the description box below. If you will search for Fiona Art on Facebook or wherever, you will find me and my contacts. It will be on this Saturday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have some resin pieces and some of them are just varnished and all different techniques. It's hard to show. This one is resin, and you will find out all about the prices and everything. Just contact me that I can send you the link.